This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Collect all the corn and all the pumpkins. Okay, so this is very similar to the previous ones that we have taken on. It's a different pattern though. So we have one block on our screen and we shouldn't use more than 10. Alright, well, like I usually do, I'm just going to start throwing down code because it's a great way to test things out and visualize what is supposed to happen. Okay, and let me just step through this. Move forward, I'm going to grab that corn, move forward, pick up that corn, move forward for the third time, corn. So there's 2 more, so that must be 5. But look, boom, boom, okay? And I could keep going. What would I do next? Oh, I would move forward and pick corn, and then I would move forward and pick corn. Actually, let's stack all these because this will make the next thing easier. Once I do that, once I get to here, what am I going to do? Do I want to move forward and pick corn? No, I got to turn. We want these pumpkins. So I would turn to the left. I would then turn, nope, then I would move forward. And then I would turn to the left again. And then what? Well, move forward, pick a pumpkin, move forward, pick a pumpkin. Okay? Notice though, this is all the same. From here, move forward, pick corn, forward corn, forward corn, forward corn, and then it changes to turn. So that's how I know what goes into my loop. Loop is going to repeat. Turn left, that's not up here. That doesn't need to be repeated. But this stuff is getting repeated. So what we should use is a repeat loop. Instead of dragging it out 5 times, we can just put everything in here. And now, 5 times in a row, we will move forward and get corn. Okay. Now, if there's any code beneath this, that will run next, like this code. Oh, and look at that. I just made a mistake. Bum, bum, bum. So I tried to move forward first. It looks like this time it would be a better idea to pick the pumpkin first and then move forward. Pick a pumpkin and then move forward. Pick a pumpkin, move forward. Okay. Pick, move forward. And so keep in mind, I'm repeating myself again, okay? However, if I were to do, and you could do this, let's say I wanted to move forward right here, and right before I turn left, I'll just pick the pumpkin because I'm already on it. Pick the pumpkin, turn left, and then what? Move forward, pick a pumpkin, move forward, pick a pumpkin. Okay? But this is going to mean more lines of code. And I can show you. So we need 2 more move forward, pick pumpkins. So 1, 2, 3. It must be 5. Move forward, pick pumpkins. And I'm over. And I should be, because there's a better way to do this. Yeah. So notice there's a pumpkin next to me right now, so there are 6 pumpkins. The reason I am over right now is because if I were instead to let myself turn left first, then pick a pumpkin, and then move forward, right? Pick pumpkin, move forward, pick pumpkin, move forward. I can put this in the loop. And that gets rid of 1 line of code. I had pick pumpkin here. Well, now I can put everything in the loop, all 6 of my pumpkins. Let's test this. And this is the trickiest part of that. You want your code to be the same. So if you can make it so you can pick the pumpkin and then move forward more times, you can lessen the amount of code on the screen. And we got it. Awesome. Onward!